Look how cute. So, it is a beautiful winter day. It snowed. First it like sleeted last night, so there was like a sheet of ice underneath beautiful snow. But it's really had a cool effect on everything. It's very pretty out. I'm enjoying it a lot. But they also managed to get the roads clear somehow, so driving around is perfectly fine. Like the roads are wet like it just rained or something. Like they're not slippery at all. Yep, went to yoga, got my smoothie, put my little cozy on it so my hand would be warm, and now I'm at the salon getting a pedicure for this weekend's runway show. I'm using ballet slippers by Essie because it's a good color. If you need a pale pink, nude-ish, go for it. And then I'll do my own fingers. But yeah, finished my painting last night. So happy with that. It's pretty big. I don't know if you can tell how big it is from the video. But yeah, now I have to make like a bunch more, like 6 or 7 total for the semester. And then I have to put away about 3 weeks worth of laundry. It's like covering my entire bed, the pile that I set out. But yeah, I might get to go see Zoolander later today. I'm so excited. I really hope I do. Oh, I can't even. I'm so excited for that movie. The whole family will be going. It's gonna be an event. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you because I'm running like a few minutes early because the roads are clearer than I thought they were gonna be. So it's a good day. It's a very good day. I will see you guys later. Bye.